Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by opening the Run dialog with Windows key plus R keys. Type dxdiag and press Enter to run the DirectX diagnostic tool. Look under System and Display to confirm DirectX 11 support. Note your GPU model and driver version in display devices. If DirectX is not showing as 11, download the DirectX End-User Runtime from Microsoft. Install it and restart the computer to apply changes and refresh system files. Next, update your graphics drivers to restore D3d11 functionality. Identify your GPU model and download the latest OEM driver for that model. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience. For AMD, use Radeon Adrenalin for signed driver builds. Run the installer as administrator and choose Clean Install if available to remove older traces. Reboot Windows after installation to finalize driver registration and direct 3D components. If D3d11 still fails, repair system files and prerequisites methodically. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to scan for corrupt files. Follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image. Install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and the DirectX redistributable package required by many games. Ensure the app is set to use the dedicated GPU in Windows graphics settings. Finally, run the problematic app as administrator and reboot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.